Hey everyone. So a few weeks ago I had an issue with one of my AA Prime 16 HD lights going out on me. I think it must have been due to a lightning storm we had a few days earlier. That was pretty intense. Had a couple short few second outages on my system, but I reset the light, I unplugged it, and I updated the software, and it went back to working. Never had any issues after that. But I got to thinking that I should probably clean these fan screens, and maybe even the inside. So, a big shout out to Garf on Reef to Reef, as he made me aware that there is a little catch on the front of the light right there, and if you grab something pointed like a paper clip, just pull the end out and insert it into the end, it will just lift right off. See how dirty that is? That's better. There's the inside of the fan. Also pretty grody. So what I'm gonna do is later on I'm gonna grab a Q-tip with some rubbing alcohol and just clean all that fan out, and maybe around the edges of this opening where I think it's called the heat sink is. If you want, you can also get a can of compressed air like you would use for cleaning computer components, and just shoot it through the sides, and the dust should come up out through this top. So yeah, pretty simple. I'm also going to just rinse this out in the sink real good. Alright guys, thanks for watching.